This zucchini is more delicious than meat. I used 4 to 5 zucchini. You can set the number of pumpkins according to the number of people. I cut the ends of the zucchini. I draw the outside with a fork so that the zucchini can cook better. Welcome to my channel. Great to see you on my channel. My name is Tugba. I live in Turkey. From which country are you watching me? This recipe will be great in full zucchini season. I divide the zucchini in half. Try this easy dinner. I cut all the covers in half and put them on the baking tray. I cut scratches on the zucchini like in the video. These cuts on the zucchini make the zucchini cook better. How is your mood? Are you hungry? I usually watch recipe videos when I feel hungry. After the videos, I run to the kitchen and try the recipe I like right away. I'm salting zucchini. Please don't forget to subscribe to follow my newly uploaded videos. Is this your first time seeing my channel? Lubricate the zucchini. Bake in a 200°C heated oven until the pumpkins are golden brown. 1 onion. I'm slicing the onion. Do you like chopping onions? What should we do to avoid tears in our eyes while chopping onions? Put the pan on the stove. Pour olive oil into the pan. Start roasting the onions. Please don't forget to inspire me with your comments. One green and red pepper. Do you extract the seeds of peppers? I cut pepper seeds without sorting them because the seeds support the formation of white blood cells. I recommend you do not remove the seeds of the peppers you use while cooking. I cut the green pepper with the seeds. What other recipes are made with zucchini in your country? Please write to me. Roast the peppers with onions. Confusing beautifully. $300 mushrooms. You can cut mushrooms as you wish. I have already extracted the mushrooms and washed them beautifully. It will be a more delicious, stylish recipe than meat. I definitely recommend watching until the end. I use chestnut mushrooms. Which types of mushrooms do you use the most? Add the mushrooms on the onion and pepper. Mix well. Two cloves of garlic. I use garlic crusher. This job takes a lot of power. Mix well again. Salt. Black pepper. Hot pepper. Thyme. And add red sweet pepper. Mix well. I fry until the mushrooms drain. Mushrooms pulled their water, I get it from the stove. "200 grams mozzarella cheese. Grating cheese. You can also use instant grated cheese. You know my prints are burn marks, right? The zucchinis are cooked. Make the middle of the pumpkins like a pool. I do this easily with a spoon. Thank you so much for your likes, comments, and channel subscription. If you want to see different zucchini recipes, please specify this in the comments. I fill the mushroom sauce I prepared into the zucchini. You will not convince anyone that you do not use meat in this recipe. Put the grated mozzarella cheese on it. Bake again at 200°C in the heated oven until golden brown. Our very elegant dinner is ready. I recommend serving hot. How do you think it looks? Looks very appetizing to me. I'm tasting it for you. Try it and make your loved ones taste this delicious meal. I would be very happy if those who watched the video so far write me their comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel while we eat. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.